modeled our part. Now we will see how to sections the part. So for that you have to switch to the part workbench, and part workbench you have to insert a cube. So the cube will be get inserted here, and I make some rough cube here, 100 by 100 by 100. Okay, and with the respect to the coordinate value, so height I will make. Okay, and now with the coordinate values I will move this cube. So with respect to the coordinate value change, I have moved the cube. Okay, it is completely intersecting with the centers, so I will say okay. Now I wanted to cut it, so I will go in Boolean operations. So first I will select here cube and select body and select intersection and say apply. So you will see that part had been successfully cut from the center, and I will close it. And if you want to see your main body, press the tab, hide the intersection and visible the body. So this will be our original one. And if you want to see the sections, press the tab and hide the intersections, then you will get the section.